Hi, good morning my dear students. Welcome back. I'm Shushma here, your English grammar teacher. Now let's revise first what we have studied in previous class. Yes, you are correct. We have studied about the sentence. So my dear student, let's see once again what is a sentence. A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. Now remember students, while writing a sentence, always follow certain rules. Number one, the sentence always start with the capital letter. Okay? Number two, it always ends with a punctuation mark, such as full stop. Okay? I hope you know full stop. Second is question mark. And third is exclamation mark. Okay? So, it always ends with a punctuation mark such as full stop, question mark and exclamation mark. It depends upon the sentence. If it is assertive or imperative, put full stop at the end of the sentence. If it is a question, put the question mark at the end of the sentence. And if it is an exclamatory sentence, put exclamation mark at the end of the sentence. Okay? Now, I am going to show you an example. Okay? Now, I am going to write groups of words. Okay, on the board. Look at the board. Fly, birds, sky, in, the. Okay. Now second group of words. Now, see both the groups of words. Now, let's see which one is the sentence. Does the first group of words makes any sense? No. It does not make any sense. So, it is not a sentence. Okay? Because it does not make any sense. So, it is not a sentence. Does the second group of words make sense? Yes, it makes sense. So, it is a sentence. Okay, children? Okay? So, sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. I hope now the sentence chapter is clear to you now. Let's finish now. Exercise D of lesson 2. So take out children page number 13. Read the following groups of words and write whether they make complete sense or not. So in this exercise you have to read the groups of words and you have to write in the blank whether it is a complete sense or not a complete sense. So you have to write in the blank complete sense or not a complete sense. So let's start. First one is complete sense. Okay. Do it. The question is do it. So what do it is a complete sense because the verb do is there, so it's a complete sense. Now second one is in the east. Okay. So in the east is the question. So what you are going to write in this? Not complete sense. Not complete sense. Was not making a sense. Okay. Now third one. Third one is come here. Come here. It's giving a sense, so it's a complete sense. It's a complete sense. Okay. Now fourth one. Never tell a lie. Never tell a lie is also giving a sense, so it's a complete sense. It's a complete sense. So let's repeat. First one is do it. So do it is a complete sense. Second one is in the east. Second one is the not complete sense. Third one, come here. Come here is the complete sense. And fourth one is never tell a lie. Never tell a lie is a complete sense. Okay, children? So first one is complete sense. Second one is not complete sense. Third one is complete sense. And fourth one is also complete sense. Now let's see the fifth one. Now fifth one is we ate some rice. We ate some rice. Can you tell, children? It is a complete sense or not complete sense? Yes, it is a complete sense. So let's write fifth one, complete sense. Because this sentence is making a sense. Now see, let's see the sixth one. It is easy to find fault. It is easy to find fault. So now you tell students, is this group of words making sense? Yes, this group is making a sense. So it is a complete sense. It's a complete sense. Now seventh one, with a kindly nature. With a kindly nature. Now this is it's a complete sense or not complete sense? It's a not complete sense. Not complete sense. Not complete sense. Okay. So fifth one is the complete sense. Sixth one is also complete sense. Seventh one is not complete sense. Okay. Now let's see the 8th, 9th and 10th one. Now 8th one. 8th one is under the bridge. Under the bridge. So under the bridge is also not complete sense. Under the bridge is also not complete sense. Okay. Because not making any sense. Now let's see number 9. Will you have a coffee? Will you have coffee? So will you have coffee? It's a question and it's giving a sense. So it's a complete sense. It's a complete sense. It's a complete sense. Now number 10, children. Now my favorite flower is rose. Now this sentence is also making a sense. Okay. It's also making a sense. So it's a complete sense. My favorite flower is rose. Okay. So it's also a complete sense. Now let's repeat, children. Okay. Under the bridge is not complete sense. Number 9. Will you have a coffee? Complete sense. Because will you have a coffee is a question. So it's giving a sense. So it's a complete sense. Number 10. My favorite flower is rose. This is also giving a complete sense. So it's so what you are going to write here? Complete sense. So 8th one is not complete sense. 9th one is complete sense. And 10th one is also complete sense. So I hope this chapter is clear to you now. Please open page number 15, chapter 3, kinds of sentences. So children, there are mainly 4 kinds of sentences. Kinds of sentences. Now, there are mainly 4 kinds of sentences. Number 1, assertive sentence. Number 2, interrogative sentence. Number 3, imperative sentence. Number 4, exclamatory sentence. Okay, let's repeat. Assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, exclamatory sentence. So, there are mainly 4 kinds of sentences. Assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence and exclamatory sentence. Now, let's see students, what is an assertive sentence? An assertive sentence expresses a statement to tell a fact. It always ends with the full stop. So remember students, assertive sentence expresses a statement to tell a fact and it always ends with the full stop. Okay students? Remember, always you have to put the full stop at the end of the assertive sentence. Examples. Miss Kavita is a doctor. Can you see the picture of a doctor here? So, Miss Kavita is a doctor, full stop. Okay? You have to put the full stop at the end of the sentence. My father is a businessman, full stop. Now, the third example. The sun rises in the east, full stop. Can you see the picture of the sun over here? So, here you have to put the full stop at the end of the assertive sentence. I love my mother. See the girl loving her mother here. Can you see the picture here? And the last example, it was a sunny day. So, here also you have to put the full stop. So, here just see in assertive sentence, you have to put the full stop. Can you see the full stop here? Here in the first example also you can see the full stop. Second also there is a full stop. Third also there is a full stop. Fourth one also there is a full stop. And fifth one is also there is a full stop. So assertive sentence expresses a statement to tell a fact. And it always ends with the full stop. Don't forget. Okay, don't forget to write the full stop. Okay. Now let's see what is an interrogative sentence. An interrogative sentence asks a question about something or someone. It always ends with an interrogative mark. Interrogative mark is also called a question mark. Okay. So always remember children that in interrogative sentence you have to put the question mark at the end of the question. Okay. Now let's see the examples of the question. Okay. What are you doing? Question mark. Okay. Now second example. Do you like fruits? Children, do you like fruits? It's good for health. Do you eat fruit daily? Yes. Yes. It's good for health. So always eat fruit. Now see the fruit. Apple here. Can you see the picture of an apple? Okay. Do you eat apple? An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Okay, so always eat apple. So now see the third example. Does the lion live in a forest? Question mark. Now see, here also question mark at the end of the question. See the picture of a lion here. Lion is the king of the forest. Yes. Who gave you that book? Who gave you that book? Now see the question mark here. See the picture also, picture of the book. Have you brought any apples? Question mark. Can you see the question mark in all the examples? Here, in first one also there is a question mark. Second one is also a question mark. Third example also there is a question mark. Fourth is also there is a question mark. And fifth one is also there is a question mark. So in the question, you have to put the question mark at the end of the question. Okay, so an interrogative sentence asks a question about something or someone. It always ends with an interrogative mark. Interrogative mark is also called a question mark. Can you see the sign of a question mark here? Yes. Now let's move on to the third one. Now, imperative sentence. Okay, third one is imperative sentence. An imperative sentence expresses an order or a request. It always ends with a full stop. Now, imperative sentence expresses an order or a request. It always ends with a full stop. Now, let's see the examples of an imperative sentence. Okay, open the door, full stop. Yes, open the door. Now tell me, which one is this? Question, order or request? It said order. Open the door. Bring me your book. Can you see the picture of the book? Yes. Full stop. You have to put the full stop. Put the pen down. Put the pen down. Full stop. Okay. Can you see the picture of a pen? Yes. Yes. Do your homework. Full stop. Now see, the child is doing the homework here. Okay. So now the last one is look at the blackboard. Can you see the blackboard here? Can you see the picture of the blackboard? Full stop. Now here also in all the example, can you see full stop is there at the end of the sentence. The first one, see, full stop is there. Second one also full stop is there. Third one full stop is there. Fourth one, and the last one is also full stop is there. So always remember, children, in imperative sentence, you have to put the full stop at the end of the sentence. An imperative sentence expresses an order or a request. Okay, like suppose in the class, teachers say, no, sometimes don't make noise. So what is this? This is an order. Go out of my class. This is also an order. So let's move on to the last one. The last one is an exclamatory sentence. Okay, it's an exclamatory sentence. An exclamatory sentence expresses a strong feeling. It always ends with an exclamation mark. Can you see the exclamation mark? Can you see here? Can you see the sign of exclamation mark? Yes. Now let's see the examples of exclamation mark. How beautiful the girl is! Exclamation mark. Can you how beautiful the girl is? Yes. Means when it expresses a strong feeling like joy, sorrow, wonder, then what you have to write? You have to write the exclamation mark. Now, how beautiful the girl is, it's a wonder. So, you have to put the exclamation mark. What a naughty boy. Can you see the picture of a naughty boy here? You are not naughty, na? You are a good boy. You are, So, it's a... Now, here also you can see the sign of exclamation mark at the end of the exclamatory sentence. What an interesting book. Okay, exclamation mark. Can you see the exclamation mark here? So, how fearsome the lion is. See the lion? Here also you can see the exclamation mark at the end of the sentence. How clever the fox is. Can you see the picture of the fox here? And there's an exclamation mark at the end of the sentence. So once again, just see the example. How beautiful the girl is. Exclamation mark. What a naughty boy. Exclamation mark. What an interesting book. Exclamation mark. How fearsome the lion is. Exclamation mark. How clever the fox is. Exclamation marks. Means when an exclamatory sentence expresses a strong feeling such as joy, sorrow, wonder. Exclamatory sentence expresses a strong feeling such as joy, sorrow and wonder. And it always ends with an exclamation mark. Can you see the sign of exclamation mark? Yes. So, These are the examples of exclamatory sentence. Okay. Okay. So let's start the exercises. Okay. So take out page number 16. Exercise A. Read the following sentences carefully and write down their types in the boxes. So read the following sentence carefully and write the types of sentences. Which type of sentence it is. So number 1, what does your father do? Can you see the mark over here? This is a question mark. So it is an interrogative sentence. So write interrogative in a blank. Blank is there. Can you see the blank in your book? Write the interrogative with the blank. Now just see the second one. There is no tea in the flask. Full stop. Can you see the full stop here? So this is a statement. So what you are going to write here? Assertive. Okay, so write assertive in the blank. Next is third one. Is he your friend? Question mark. Can you see the question mark here? So it is an interrogative sentence. So write interrogative in a blank. In the blank. Now number 4. How clever these boys are. Exclamation mark. Can you see the exclamation mark? So when there is exclamation mark, what you are going to write? Exclamatory. Okay, it is an exclamatory sentence. So write exclamatory in the blank. Fifth one. Do it at once. Full stop. Can you see the full stop here? Do it at once means order. So what you are going to write in the blank? Imperative. What you are going to write? Imperative. Now sixth one. I am learning French. Full stop. What you are going to write here? Assertive. What you are going to write in the blank? Assertive. The answer is assertive. Who are these people? Question mark. What are you going to write in the blank? Interrogative. The answer is interrogative. Eighth one. These children are plucking flowers. Full stop. What are you going to write here in the blank? Assertive. It is an assertive sentence. Ninth one. How tall the building is. Can you see the mark over here? Which mark is this? Exclamation mark. So what are you going to write in the blank? Exclamatory. Exclamatory. It is an exclamatory sentence. Now the 10th one. They have finished their task. Okay. Full stop is there. So what are you going to write here? Assertive. It is an assertive sentence. So you write assertive in the blank. Okay. Now let's see the B one. Okay. Let's see the B one. So write B one also. B. Put the correct punctuation mark at the end of each of the following sentence in the given boxes. So children, see in your book the boxes are there. So you have to write the punctuation marks. Means if it is a assertive, put full stop. If it is a question, then put the question mark. If it is exclamatory sentence, put the exclamation mark. Okay. So you have to just put the punctuation mark. Okay. In those boxes which is made there. Can you see the boxes in your book? Can you see? So what you are going to see? So you have to write the punctuation mark there. Number 1, please come here. Now please come here is a request. Okay. So you know in request what you are going to write? Full stop. Full stop. So write full stop. Second one. Hindi is my mother tongue. Okay, Hindi is my mother tongue. Full stop. Okay, have you written full stop in the box? Good. Number 3, write a letter to your friend. Full stop. Have you written full stop in the box? Yes, good. Number 4, India is an Asian country. Full stop. Have you written full stop? Yes, good. It is a sunny day. Full stop. Have you written full stop? Yes, it's a statement, assertive sentence. So you have to write a full stop. I like to study English. Full stop. Okay, this is also a assertive sentence. So you have to write a full stop. What a tall man. Now see this sentence. What a tall man. Now what are you going to write here? Exclamation mark. It is a exclamatory sentence. So what you are going to write here? Exclamation mark in the box. Okay. Now 8th one. What is your name? Now students, just see this question. What is your name? So what you are going to write? Question mark, because you are asking a question. What is your name? So you have to write a question here in the box. How naughty, 9th one. How naughty these boys are. Can you see how naughty these boys are? Again, just see this question. What you are going to write here? Exclamation mark. Exclamation mark. Okay. This is also an exclamatory sentence. Now the last one. This road leads to Agra. Okay. This road leads to Agra. This is a assertive sentence. So you have to write a full stop. You have to write a full stop. Okay. So first one is full stop. What you are going to write in the first box? Full stop. In second box also full stop. In third box you are going to write full stop. In fourth one also you are going to write full stop. In fifth one also you are going to write full stop. In sixth one also you are going to write full stop. In seventh one you are going to write exclamation mark. In eighth one you are going to write question mark. In ninth one you are going to write exclamation mark. And in the last one, means 10th one, you are going to write full stop. Now I hope this exercise is also clear to you all now. This is all in chapter 3, kinds of sentences. I hope this chapter is clear to you all now. Thank you and have a nice day.